Welcome back to the Dotstore channel. In this video, we will explore how to set quantity increments in WooCommerce. By default, WooCommerce allows users to change the quantity in steps of 1. However, this may not work for all stores. You might want to allow quantities only in multiples of 2 for 6, 8, 10, and so on. We will show you how to achieve that in this video. To modify this step value, you'll need a plugin. The WooCommerce Minimum and Maximum Quantity plugin enables you to set different quantity increments. I will leave the link in the description below. Get the plugin and head back over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, install and activate the plugin. To install the plugin, go to Plugins, Add New, upload the file, and activate it. Once activated, navigate to Dotstore Plugins and then Min-Max Quantity menu. On the Plugin Settings page, go to Manage Rules, where you can set up multiple min-max quantity rules by clicking on this Add New button here. Click to set up a new rule. First of all, enable the status toggle to activate the rule. After that, add a min-max rule title for admin purposes to easily identify it later. Next, scroll down to the Advanced Rules section. Here, you'll see multiple conditions such as setting up rules based on products, variable products, categories, and other conditions like country, user roles, and more. For this example, let's create a category-based rule. From the drop-down list, select the Category option. Then, in this drop-down, choose the product categories for which you want to apply minimum and maximum quantities, as well as step quantity increments. For example, I am selecting this men clothing category. Now, in this action section, we can define the minimum quantity, maximum quantity, step quantity, and other settings. As shown here, we've set the minimum quantity to 2, the maximum to 30, and the step quantity to 2. This means that for men clothing products, the quantity will increase in increments of 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. After configuring the settings, click the Save Changes button to apply your changes. Now, let's go to the front end to see the rule in action. We are now on the single product page from a men's clothing category. For clothing products, we've configured step increments of 2, with a minimum quantity of 2 and a maximum quantity of 30. As you can see, when I increase the quantity, it goes up in steps of 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Similarly, when decreasing, the quantity decreases in steps of 2. Now, if I manually enter 5 and click the Cart button, a message will appear indicating that only quantities of 4 or 6 are allowed. Let's add 4 to the cart, and as you can see, it works. If I try to enter 7, the system will display an error because the quantity must be in multiples of 2. For example, 6 or 8. Additionally, we've set the maximum quantity to 30, so I cannot increase the quantity beyond that. As you can see, I am trying to increase the quantity above 30, but it's not allowing me to do. Now, let's view the cart page by clicking on this View Cart link here. On the cart page, the same rule applies. The quantity can only be adjusted in steps of 2, as defined. Now, scroll down and click on this Proceed to Checkout button to complete the checkout. Finally, on the checkout page, fill up all the required billing and shipping information, and then click on the Place Order button and submit a test order. As you can see, I successfully completed the order with a quantity of 4. So, this is how you can define step quantity or step increments using the Min-Max Quantity plugin. I hope this video was helpful to you. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons.